Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Universe is a very well-known network that has kept a spot in the main 30 cryptographic forms of money since its commencement. The objective of the undertaking is to make a wide organization that interfaces any remaining existing blockchains. In the event that fruitful, this can be vital for the making of Web 3.0 and the fate of the web. As such a critical structure block, Cosmos makes certain to detonate in worth and ascend to the highest rated spot. This has incited us to investigate the undertaking's set of experiences and attempt to make some Cosmos value forecasts of our own. Will Cosmos, ATOM, reach $50? Universe is an organization that will surely influence the future of the crypto world with its remarkable utility and critical thinking thoughts. To this end, the local area and engineers are genuinely inspired by the venture. Token proprietors are hopeful about the advancement of the organization's cost when the market balances out. That is the reason so many accept the cost won't just reach $50 yet go past. Nonetheless, we should consider it briefly. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is around $7.8. This implies it will require a 7.5x expansion to arrive at a value assessment of $50. With an ongoing business sector cap of $2 billion, this will bring about another market cap of more than $15 billion. This is truly possible considering the capability of the task and its past ATH of $44.54. For this reason we accept Cosmos will reach $50 once in a while. In the event that it works out, it will require somewhere around 2 to 3 years. To start with, we really want to see market adjustment. This will occur after the tactical contentions in Europe get settled. Up to that point, the market will continue to be tumultuous and negative. That, however, the expansion circumstance all over the planet is at present entirely shaky, one more justification for the market to tank. So when is Cosmos going to reach $50? It will require no less than 2 additional years, or even 3, yet that is assuming we are being somewhat more liberal. Our moderate assessment is that it will require around 5 additional years for that to occur. 2022. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their way to Cosmos cost visualization. The quantity of coordinated efforts and occasions with the digital currency area exhibits that many individuals are certain about cryptographic money. As per that into Cosmos presentation over the course of the last year, it might accomplish a colossal lift by the end of the year, dissimilar to other huge coins like Bitcoin and ETH, and get through the $10 mark once more, which will draw it nearer to its past levels. Obviously, there's the situation that we experience further world contentions that can influence the crypto market. All things considered, we can anticipate that Atom should drop in cost. Nobody can say without a doubt the way that low it might go, yet we can undoubtedly see it dropping to around $3-4. 2023. Numerous examiners have made Cosmos cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement is that the cost of Cosmos will keep on rising. This depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of Cosmos innovation, the developing fame of crypto, and the general uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of Cosmos will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Cosmos should reach $14.15, $16.22 toward the finish of 2023. 2024. Assuming the development for Cosmos proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting enormous reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is all around as moderate as could be expected, to not mislead you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Cosmos will reach somewhere around $18. On the off chance that we let ourselves be a smidgen more speculative, we'd raise it to $20, bringing it increasingly close to its past pinnacle. 2025. As per numerous Cosmos lovers and their cost expectations, Atom costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $23.82 and $25.61. Notwithstanding, The most practical assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With far-reaching reception, Atom cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Cosmos organization can fundamentally grow and create. All things considered, costs might try and go as high as $30, yet that is very aggressive. With respect to a more regrettable situation, there are numerous things we can't foresee, such as any worldwide military, natural, pandemic, monetary, and other comparable issues. Be that as it may, how about we investigate what we have within reach? On the off chance that a solid contender emerges, things can go south for Cosmos. Something else that can happen is assuming there's any adjustment of the organization's activity. This can incorporate a difference in CEO, designers, other colleagues, and so forth. Assuming that occurs, we can see the cost of Cosmos dropping by 50 to 70%, meaning it will go for about $8.10. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Cosmos. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of Atom will be something like $35.85, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it is. We accept that Cosmos will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $32.22 and $33.90. 2027. As the years go by and Cosmos proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly see it going for as much as $60. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that we are more reasonable, the cost could stay moving sideways, as that is a powerful development. We imply that Atom will be assessed at around $35, $39.15. We figure the lower range of our value expectation will be more precise than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very eccentric, so we should sit back and watch. 2028. In 2028, in the event that Cosmos emerges with new undertakings and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly going out from the 30s and arriving at a cost of $42.11, $44.65. Be that as it may, this is for the most part hopeful. On the lower end, we can see Atom being worth around $15, while on normal leftover at around $43. 2029. For the last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally. We imply that tokens will be nothing strange any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on. Thusly, we figure Cosmos will be moving at around $50 to $52